Yep, this is the Siu Mai. So we steam finished already.
Chef hands, eh?
Always clean one, okay? Don't worry.
So good, eh?
Yep, don't cook.
Come on, move along. That's it, baby.
G'day, I'm Craig from Native Kitchen, private chef based in Christchurch.
Hi, kia ora. My name is Kit. I'm the dim sum chef, and now I'm based in the Christchurch. So now we start cooking and do the Siu Mai. Show the Craig. Now we got the ingredient for the Siu Mai: pork collar.
Collar.
Yeah, chop it, dice, small dice.
So do you use the collar because it's got a bit more fat in it? You could use pork belly or shoulder.
You can, yeah, you can use any part of the meat. Also can, no problem. It depends. What you want. So now this, I just put 2 prawns and some meat, so make the Siu Mai filling.
Yep.
And some salt. So mix well.
And you don't need to chop the prawn up, is that just so you get a nice...
Normally I use hand. My hand is clean one.
Yeah.
So normally we use hand just like that.
Oh, yeah, break it up.
So break it up because it's more easy to make the filling until they are got sticky. So now we put some sugar, just a bit sugar.
White pepper,
Yep,
you get a bit of white pepper.
Yep, a bit white pepper and a bit sesame oil. Put some finer, you put some potato starch, make to stick together, and easy to make the shape as well when you make the dumpling. And this one, Siu Mai skin, you can buy in the retail shop or some market. You can buy it easily. Now we got good already. Someone at the factory that make for us.
And is this like a wheat dough, is it, or is it like an egg dough?
Egg dough. Normally it's egg dough. Just mix.
Wow.
Put inside here. This time I don't put the mushroom. Yep. So just like that.
Make it look so easy.
Yeah. So the Siu Mai.
Wow. I'll have to try and do a Kiwi style on it. Maybe we'll do a mutton bird and pork Siu Mai and see how that works.
Wow, this one quite excited. I'm the first time to see the wild bird as well. This one.
Yeah. Cool. I've got a mutton bird.
Yep.
I don't know if you've seen a mutton bird before. So you can only get them in Stewart Island, down the bottom of the South Island. So these are salted mutton birds. You can get freshies, but generally they've been salted in like a brine, so you can have them throughout the season. It's a seasonal bird, so they're only, I think, about 2 months a year, which is the season's just starting actually. So this is a salted one anyway. So I've cooked it, changed the water 3 times because they're really salty. Yeah. So I boil it, change the water, boil it, change the water. So it's cooked. So I'm just going to take, we'll just take some of the meat off and do a quick...
So normally you marinate, how long you want to marinate with the sauce, like 3 months or 2 months? Or?
Yeah, so what you do is they're in a bucket of salt, and then you turn the bucket upside down just so they stay in the brine, and then they can last for years. My version, I guess, with a bit of fusion. So I don't know if you smell it, you want to try, but it almost tastes, it's like almost like an anchovy / chicken.
Yeah.
Like it's quite salty, quite
Yeah,
strong.
very strong. Yeah. Not like anchovy.
Yeah.
It's really the taste salty.
Yeah, crazy.
Crazy.
So it's like a salty, like a fish bird. Crazy. Got a little bit of pork mince.
Yep.
And I guess I'll chuck a few prawns in too. I'll just mix it up with my hands just to...
Yep.
And maybe just a little bit of potato starch.
Yep.
Just to help bind it. And I'll give a Siu Mai a go.
Nice.
Something like...
Yeah.
This looks sort of like a Siu Mai, a little bit.
Yep, absolutely. Nice. So just like that. Easy, just fold it and
squeeze it up. Okay.
Squeeze it up.
Yep.
So just press. So normally you squeeze up, so the size will be more tall a bit.
Yep.
So independent shape is more nice a bit. Yeah, so squeeze it and press the meat in. Nice.
Oh, it'll work. We'll get on to steaming.
Yeah. So the siu mai is the meat filling, so we need to cook quite long, like 7 minutes.
Okay.
Everything got timer, so we set the siu mai. Yep, this is the siu mai. So we steam finish already. So now we take out.
Chef hands, eh? We just put
Yeah,
them out
chef
with
hand.
Chef hands.
Yeah, you always clean one. Okay, don't worry.
This is the mutton bird one.
Yep. Smells good.
Bit more flavour.
Yeah, more flavor bit.
Bit more seasoning, but mutton bird. Wow, who would have thought, eh?
Yeah, we never got that. I never eat this one mutton bird before. This is my first time of my life.
Here's our classic Siu Mai.
Yep.
So good, eh?
Yep. Thank you.
That's good. So that's it for us. If you'd like what you've seen, subscribe below. If you want to see a bit more what I'm up to, Native Kitchen 78 on Instagram, or you can follow Kit around Christchurch. He'll be popping up all over the place for some good dumplings and some good food. Thank you very much.
Thank you for enjoy for this video. Yep, thank you. Hope you enjoy and love it.